In today's video, I'll teach you how to reset Maya eWallet password. First of all, launch open Maya application. You can see over here Maya application has been opened. You'll be able to see two options over here, start an account, login. So what you have to do is tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the login interface of Maya. From here, you'll be able to log in to your account. But since you want to reset your password, tap on this option, forget your password that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll have to enter your number registered to your account. So what you have to do is tap on the filter phone number. Now enter the phone number over here. Now once you do that, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you'll have to go through the CAPTCHA verification. Simply complete the CAPTCHA. Now after that, you'll be able to reset your password. Simply enter the new password that you would like to change to and confirm the password. After you do that, wait for the SMS verification text to arrive. After you receive the SMS verification text on your registered number, the password of your account will be reset and you'll be able to use the same password in order to log in. So that is how you reset Maya account password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.